Hello friends, today we learn about nucleoside. The purine and pyrimidine bases link to carbohydrate and this is called nucleoside. The nucleoside are coupled to D-ribose or 2' deoxyribose through beta-N glycosidic bond between anomeric carbon of the ribose and N9 of purine or N1 of pyrimidine. The suffix used for purine nucleoside is -sine, while for pyrimidine nucleoside is -dene. The carbon atom of ribose present in nucleosides are designated with prime symbol, for example 1', 2', etc. to distinguish them from backbone numbering in the bases. Purine nucleoside have beta 1' N9 glycosidic bond, while pyrimidine nucleoside has beta 1' N1 glycosidic linkage. Normally, glycosidic bond is seen, but anti-orientation is more favored in nucleic acid. These are the structure of purine nucleoside, that is adenosine and guanosine, while these are the pyrimidine nucleoside, that is cytidine and uridine. If you like the video, share with your friends and please do subscribe our YouTube channel. Hit the bell icon to get update of latest notification from our channel. Thanks for watching.